Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly interested in two Marumo Gallants players, Jason Clifford and Ibrahim Banse. Both players are in high demand. Let's start with Jason Clifford, left winger, 30 years of age. Look, I haven't watched a lot of Marumo Gallants games last season, but I've watched Jason Clifford a few times. I've watched all his games against the big three. He's a tricky player. He's a player with a step over, a skill in him, but the output is not there. I feel like the output is not there. He's one of those players who are entertaining, but there's no output. He has scored 4 goals in 23 games. Look, I think we need we are desperate for a winger who's going to give us goals, who's going to give us assists. He didn't have a single assist last season, so we need a winger with output, more especially if Claude Lepo is leaving, because he's the only winger with output, so I also look at the age, 30 years of age. Look, there's no time for him to improve. I think 30 years, he's old enough, to be able to make better decisions in the final third, and he should be getting at least 10 goals contributions, 10 goal plus assists in a single season. So for me, yes, he can beat his man, but the output is not there. However, he scored a beauty against us, a little step over, catch inside into his right foot, bend it into the chop corner. That was a brilliant goal, but it's not something he does on a regular basis, so I don't want a moments player, a player who will have moments here and there. We need a player who's going to be consistent, and judging from his numbers and from what I saw, I don't think so. He also has offers from Morocco and abroad, so it's going to be difficult. The competition is going to be tight, but let's see what happens. Now let's move to Ibrahim Banse, central defensive midfielder and a central midfielder. As I've said, I haven't watched a lot of Marumo Gallants games last season. I also saw him a couple of times. He looked very decent. I'm not going to say very good. Let me say decent. He's a great player. Is he to the level of Kaizer Chiefs? I don't know. I'd love to see him one more season, before making that decision. But for the fact that Orlando Pirates were interested in him, but they ended up opting for Chechele Limchiane, brilliant player. So for the fact that Orlando Pirates were interested, it means there's something there. I'm not saying we should sign players because Pirates also want to sign them, but if we aren't the only ones, looking at the player, it means there's something beyond what I have saw from the few matches I've watched, So, but all I can tell you is he's better than Sibongiseni Mchecho. That I can tell you for sure. He also has offers. He's a free agent. Bonus, surprise, he's a free agent. So you would expect Kaizer Chiefs to be all over this one. But let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Hit a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out.